multiplication and division with exponents. Here we have 2 to the third power times 2 to the second, or 2 squared. We could first calculate 2 to the power of 3, which equals to 8, separately, and then calculate 2 to the second power, which equals to 4. And then multiply them together. 8 times 4 equals 32. But there is an easier way. When we multiply powers with the same base, we add up the exponents. This happens because each exponent represents how many times we multiply the base by itself. So, adding the exponents is equivalent to combining all multiplications into a single power. For example, with 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2, we have 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 2 times 2. In total, there are 5 factors of 2. So the base remains 2 and the exponent becomes 5, 2 to the 5th power. So 2 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 2nd power gives us 2 to the 5th power by adding the exponents. 3 and 2, 2 to the 5th power equals to 32. 2 times 2 5 times get us 32. 2 to the 3rd power divided by 2 to the 2nd power. In multiplication, we added the exponents. In division, we subtract them. So let's do 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 equals 1. Two to the 3rd power divided by 2 to the 2nd power is equal to 2 to the 1st power. 2 to the 1st power is equal to 2.